Every living eukaryotic cell contains an extraordinary command center called the nucleus. It stores genetic information and controls nearly every activity of the cell. From growth and metabolism to reproduction and inheritance, the nucleus directs every biological process, making it the true control center of life. In 1831, the Scottish botanist Robert Brown discovered the nucleus while studying orchid cells, marking one of biology's greatest discoveries. Robert Brown's discovery of the nucleus inspired later scientists to develop cell theory and laid the foundation genetics and advanced microscopic research into the living cell. The nucleus is a double membrane-bound organelle found only in eukaryotic cells. It contains DNA organized into chromosomes and regulates gene expression. The nucleus functions like a biological headquarters, storing hereditary information and coordinated cellular activities through genetic regulation.
The nuclear envelope is a protective double membrane that completely surrounds the nucleus. It isolates the cell's genetic material from the cytoplasm. As the cell enters mitosis, the nuclear envelope disassembles. The chromosomes align and separate, and the envelope reforms around the two new nuclei during telophase.
The nuclear envelope is a protective double membrane that completely surrounds the nucleus. It isolates the cell's genetic material from the cytoplasm, creating a stable and secure environment. During mitosis, the nuclear envelope temporarily disassembles, allowing spindle fibers to interact with the chromosomes, creating two fully functional daughter nuclei. The outer nuclear membrane is continuous with the rough endoplasmic reticulum and often contains attached ribosomes. The inner membrane is supported by the nuclear lamina, a protein network that maintains nuclear shape and anchors chromatin. Separating the outer and inner nuclear membranes is the perinuclear space, a narrow fluid-filled compartment. This space is directly continuous with the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum. This space contributes to structural stability and communication between the nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum. The nuclear pore complex is one of the largest protein assemblies in the cell, built from nearly 30 different nucleoprene proteins arranged in an 8-fold symmetrical pattern. Each nuclear pore contains about 30 different nucleoporins, arranged with 8-fold symmetry to form a highly selective transport gateway. Messenger RNA exits through nuclear pores, while regulatory proteins, enzymes, histones, and transcription factors are imported into the nucleus. Special transport receptors called importins and exportins recognize nuclear localization or export signals, ensuring accurate molecular transport. Nucleoplasm is the gel-like matrix filling the nucleus. It contains water, ions, enzymes, nucleotides, RNA, proteins, and chromatin. It provides the environment required for DNA replication, transcription, RNA processing, and chromosome organization. The nucleolus is the largest and densest structure inside the nucleus, but is not surrounded by a membrane. The nucleolus consists of the fibrillar center, dense fibrillar component, and granular component, each participating in ribosome production. The nucleolus synthesizes ribosomal RNA and assembles ribosomal subunits before exporting them to the cytoplasm. Without the nucleolus, functional ribosomes cannot be produced, severely limiting protein synthesis. Chromatin is a complex of DNA and histone proteins. It packages nearly 2 meters of DNA into the microscopic nucleus. Euchromatin is loosely packed and transcriptionally active, whereas heterochromatin is densely packed and generally inactive. As a cell enters division, the loosely organized chromatin fibers undergo successive levels of condensation to form compact, visible chromosomes. Every nuclear component performs a specialized role, yet all function together as a perfectly coordinated biological system. Chromatin regulates gene expression, DNA replication, repair, recombination, and epigenetic control. The nucleus communicates continuously with other organelles, integrating gene expression with metabolism, protein synthesis, and cellular responses. The nucleus preserves hereditary information, while regulating growth, differentiation, adaptation, and evolution through precise genetic control. The nucleus is far more than a storage compartment for DNA. It is the dynamic control center that coordinates every aspect of eukaryotic life of an entire organism.